will do this appreciation meditation together. So please keep your spine loosely straight and relax your body, your mind, breathing naturally. And first, appreciate that you have this body right now, and you are breathing. This is wonderful. Appreciate that you are breathing. Appreciate that you are alive. Wonderful. Appreciate that you can hear me. You are hearing this teaching. Not only the teaching, you have this wonderful ear. You can hear the sound. And appreciate that today I'm watching this video and learning something wonderful. Appreciate that you are stay with this meditation posture and with the silence. This is wonderful. And this is one of the reasons is the pandemic. Due to this pandemic, I'm learning, I'm growing, wonderful. And then the rest, you can see what the positive things happen and that happen, and whatever things that you learn from this pandemic, and to appreciate those. Now please open your eyes. Appreciate that you have eyes, and appreciate that you can see. Okay, so try to practice this. You can write also. Maybe 10 might be difficult. 5 appreciation about 5 things. And with this pandemic or in general, at the beginning it might be difficult, not easy to find those 5 things to appreciate. And slowly you will have a lot. But if you find a lot, don't write too much in one day, then you cannot continue next day. Stay 3 to 5 first. And then if you have a lot, then if you have a lot of things to appreciate, you can change one day about you, one day about relationship, one day about family, one day about the world, one day about different situation. So you can change, and that will be creative something. Creativity and changing something new way to appreciate also will be really beneficial. And then wish that this, although I discuss this things that what we learn from this and this pandemic, but we all pray that soon this pandemic will end and then world will become peaceful